Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put page numbers to all pages in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs app. Then go to the insert menu, go to the page number option and click this page number and click page middle. Now here we can see our page number in inserted. Page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can see put page numbers to all pages in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.